After you clean the pump basket, remove debris from the filter, or after you vacuum the pool, extra air can enter your lines. The extra air can restrict water flow in the circulation system and affect your water pressure. Most filters come with an air relief valve to make it easier to remove the excess air. This is called a bleeder valve. The bleeder valve is an orange lever located at the top of the cartridge filter. Turn the lever slowly until you hear a hissing sound. Leave the valve open until water starts coming out. Depending on the amount of air in the system, the pressure can cause the water to pour or shoot out. Use caution and warn kids and pets to steer clear while you complete this step. You can close the valve once water makes its way out. Next, check your system's water pressure by putting your hand over the return. You should feel a strong push. That means that the air was successfully removed from the lines. If you have any questions, reach out to your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.